What if I told you that China just created a robot mosquito that can spy on you right now, and you'd never even know it's there? This tiny drone is so small, so quiet, and so realistic that it could be sitting on your wall watching you, and your brain would just think it's a regular bug. But here's the scary part. It's not. This thing is literally the size of a real mosquito. We're talking 1.3 centimeters long. That's smaller than your fingernail. It weighs less than a paperclip, less than a feather. Actually, it weighs exactly the same as a real mosquito, just 0.3 grams. Think about that for a second. Engineers in China somehow packed cameras, microphones, sensors, and a tiny computer into something the size of a bug. How? Is that even possible? But here's where it gets really crazy. This isn't just small. It's designed to look and move exactly like a real mosquito. It has two tiny flapping wings that beat just like the real thing. It even has 3 hair-thin legs that let it land on walls and ceilings. Imagine you're sitting in your room and you see a mosquito on the wall. You might try to swat it, or maybe you just ignore it. But what if? What if that mosquito is actually recording everything you say and do? What if it's streaming video of your private moments to someone on the other side of the world? That's not science fiction anymore. That's reality. This micro-drone can do things that sound like they're straight out of a James Bond movie. It can take photos and videos with its tiny camera. It can record conversations with its built-in microphone. It can even detect electronic signals from your devices. And get this, it's controlled by a smartphone. Someone could be sitting in a car outside your house using their phone to fly this robot mosquito through your window and spy on you. You'd never suspect a thing. The scariest part? It's completely invisible to radar. Security systems can't detect it. It's too small, too quiet, and too realistic. China didn't build this for pest control. This is military technology. Imagine sending a swarm of these into enemy territory. They could fly into buildings, hide in corners, and gather intelligence for weeks without anyone knowing. While other countries have small drones, they're still palm-sized, huge compared to this mosquito drone. China just leapfrogged everyone else in the spy game. Think about special forces operations. Instead of risking human lives, they could send in robot mosquitoes first to map out the area, count enemies, and listen to conversations. It's like having invisible spies everywhere. But here's what should really worry you. If this technology exists, how long before it's everywhere? How long before criminals get their hands on it? How long before you can't tell if that bug in your bedroom is real, or if someone is watching you through its tiny camera? We're entering a world where privacy might be impossible, where any insect could be a spy, where the line between nature and technology disappears completely. So the next time you see a mosquito, take a closer look, because in a world where China can build robot insects that spy on you, that annoying bug might be more dangerous than you think. What do you think about this technology? Are you excited about the possibilities or terrified about the privacy implications?